Sarura kids. Hello everyone.
What are you doing today?
Making candle kits.
Yay! We've got a wonderful candle making kit from Jack's Candle Making Kit. And this is a STEM toy, so that's why we love it. So STEM is things that help kids with science, technology, engineering, maths, helps them to think in a clever way. And this is for children from how old? Do you know? From how old?
3.
3 years old. And who's 3 years old?
Me.
Yeah, so you're 3 years old. And we're gonna make some candles today. And we've got the assistant candle maker who's right now climbing up the windowsill for some reason. Candle maker, come make some candles. Do you want to see what's inside the box? So with this candle making kit, it says the things we have to do is melt down the wax chips to make our candles, and then we add our wick. And a wick is like a small little string. And then we can put in some fragrances as well. And then we make it personal with funky stickers. So there's stickers inside this box. Who wants to see stickers?
Me.
Yay! Right, let's have a look inside. Oh, you came back for the stickers, did you? Somebody came back for the stickers. Right, Mummy will open it because it's sealed.
Yeah, sealed. 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 See?
There you go.
Old. I opened it.
Yeah, I've opened it. I think there's only one side to open. And then we're gonna pull it out. Wow!
You grab one of these. You grab these. You grab.
Oh, I think that's where the candles go into.
See? They do. They do, Mummy.
Yes. And then what's that big plastic over here? What do you think those are? Those are wax chips.
Look. Cold. Wax tip.
And show Mummy, what does that little container say? Show Mummy the writing. So there's a blueberry fragrance over here. And there's, what fragrance is that? Let me have a look. There's a cherry fragrance. So that's cherry scented for your candles.
This is mine.
We're going to have a lot of fun because we've got to take these into the kitchen and we've got to melt them. So inside it we have got the wax melt chips, the wicks, 2 wicks for 2 candles, and we've got the fragrances. So we've got the blueberry fragrance and we have got the cherry fragrance. And then we have a little measuring cup and we have some mixing sticks. Spatulas, is that the word? I don't know. And then we've got the 2 containers in which our candles will live. Our brand new candles are going to be in here, girls. Yay! Right, now let's read the instructions. So the instructions are, you need to prepare, so you make sure your work area is clean and tidy. You have the little table that's tidy, but I don't know if we're going to be using that. And we need to wash our hands, which you did. And if anything gets onto the work surface, we wipe it up with a dry paper towel, which we've got. And then you wash with warm and soapy water. However, it can be dangerous if it's not used in the correct way because there's going to be warm stuff going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to put half the wick wax chips into a small bowl. And then using the larger bowl, pour in the hot water less than halfway. So we put the small bowl into the large bowl and then we cover both bowls with cling film and we leave them to melt. So we don't even need to go to the kitchen, we can do it all here. And we can use the stick to stir to help the wax to melt. Right, so it's the hot water that can be the danger. But so once the chips are dissolved, we pour the melted wax to 30 ml mark in the measuring cup. And then we add the fragrance. And then we place the wick in the center of the candle tin. And then we repeat steps 3 to 5, which is, you know, dissolving and adding fragrance and adding to the thing. Okay. So it takes an hour for them to dry. Okay, so who's ready to make some candles?
Me!
Yay! Okay, so in the 2 minutes that it took Mummy to read the instructions, we might have had an incident with blue. So the blue has now been dispensed. So we're going to go a little bit off script. We're going to put all the wax chips into our measuring jug. All of them are going in because we're going to make these candles all at once. And we're going to put these wax chips all into there.
Wow! Chips? That is a big one. We need to crush that one down.
It's all going to melt in, don't you worry.
With hot water.
Yes, because we're going to put hot water into the bowl. Right, so this is the dangerous part. So we have to put this away from everybody because I know we get a bit dancy. So, okay, and we're going to get a bit sloppy, and this is why we're going to move the bowl of water away. So Mummy's going to put some hot water into here, and then we're going to put this into there, and then we're going to leave it to melt somewhere safe in the kitchen.
Look!
And then we'll bring it back when it's melted, okay? So we found the stickers, yay! And as you remember, we had a little bit of an accident with the blue. So somebody's already blued up. So Mummy's going to do the stickers on the outside. I'm just going to put that sticker around the outside, sweetie.
I had that, Mummy.
It's very hard to open.
Not mine.
It was hard to open too, but I managed it.
That's Mummy did it.
So, the problem that Mummy's having at the moment, this comes with one paper that goes round, one big sticker that goes all the way round, which has warning, tin will get hot, handle with care. But it's slightly too long, so if you don't want it to go over this lip, which I would highly recommend, cut it down, which I did not do, and I have discovered the hard way that it means that it's virtually impossible to open your candle. So, let's put this here, and what we need to do, can we grip our wicks with our pegs, and then what Mummy's going to do is I'm going to pop that there. Can you see if you can hold that there? Hold that there. Hold your peg. That's it. And then Mummy's going to put some of the wax before it solidifies too much. So we'll put your wax in there.
I'll just put some colored food in.
And then, we're just going to do it. We're going to break the rules. Just put it all in. And then we mix it. Right, just do the mixing. Mummy will hold the tin for you. So this is hot wax. So put it in there and then mix it. Now it's mixed, so put that there. Now get your wick as well, please. And then put it there. Now hold it there. Now I'm going to pour the rest of the wax. So what do you girls have there?
Candles.
Are these candles that you made?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Show everyone. Wow. That's a beautiful candle.
For lighting up.
Yes, we put the match and we light up the flippy floppy bits.
Yeah.
Do you like your flippy floppy candle bit?
Yeah.
It's lovely, isn't it?
What?
Wow.
This is on my fire thing.
Yes, there's your fire thing. And that means that our candles are working.
They come up when it's brewing.
Yes. See, but that is very dangerous for children. Oh no, it's not birthday candle blowing. Oh dear. No, we're not blowing out the candles. Oh, I thought you managed to blow one out. Oh, well, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Again.
No, it's not that kind of game, girls. Do you like your candles?
Yeah.
You want one more?
Yeah.
Mummy will do only one more, otherwise we'll be here all morning lighting candles.
And more.
One more. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
What does that smell like?
Like candle.
Yes, it smells like candle and it smells like blueberry and cherry already. That was very, very fast.
Again, again.
You want it again?
Yeah.
You want another candle?
Yeah.
Right, let's light up the candle.
What? Put it on.
And onto our... No, don't blow it out yet. Let's give it a chance to light up both of them. And then you have to sing each other... wait a minute, let's sing each other happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, everybody, and Mummy included. Happy birthday to you. We made our own candles. Well done, girls. Yes, you made your own candles. Yay! Again. Okay, but we'll say bye to our friends first because Mummy's not going to film the last one. So say bye to everyone and
Bye.
we'll make more stuff with you later. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye to your friends. Yes, say bye to your friends.